We are pleased to show you the 2017 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, auto headlight on/off, rear window defroster, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. Come see the car for yourself.